Welcome to our aBlocks tutorial. Today we're exploring the Modal Block, perfect for creating pop-ups, forms, or notices on your WordPress site. First, go to the section where you want your modal. Click the plus icon, search for modal, and insert the aBlocks Modal Block. Done. The Modal Block is added. Next, we'll customize it. Let's keep going. In the Settings panel, under the General tab, find the Button section. First, set the position. Next, pick the type. I'll go with primary for a bold look. Then, edit the text. Set the size for a compact button. Now add a link. Now let's style the button. Switch to the Style section in the Settings panel. First, set the text color. Next, fix the background color. Finally, set the hover color. Let's design the modal itself. Switch to the modal parent settings by clicking the parent block. In the General tab, find the Open Panel area. This is where you can design your modal. Here, I'll add a container block to the modal. Then click on the plus icon, search for an image block, and insert it. Now upload an image. With the image added, let's customize it. In the image settings, fix the alignment. I'll set it to center for a balanced look. Now, go back to the modal parent settings. Adjust the width and height. Then, set the position. Next, let's adjust how the modal opens. In the trigger settings, change the trigger from click to hover, so the modal opens when you hover over the button. Now, let's customize the close button. In the close button settings, set the position. Now let's fine-tune the close button's position by fixing the offsets. Next, let's style the close button to make it pop. Switch to the Style section for the close button. First, set the background. Now, let's set the close button color. This controls the color of the X button itself. And there's your close button. Once you've customized everything to match your design, click the Save button to apply all your changes. Now, check out the preview, and there it is. A beautiful modal created with aBlocks, ready to engage your visitors. And that's it. Your aBlocks Modal Block is ready to shine. You've created a stunning pop-up that's sure to grab attention. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment with your modal ideas. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.